Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, June 17th, and this is my PM recap for gold. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, I wanted to be up here on the daily time frame because I still wanted to show everybody that my WXY scenario that I've been talking about for a week or so still seems very likely, which would be three waves down to take out the lower wave W for a WXY, likely a WXY of wave 4. The problem with this analysis is that we are definitely still up on the daily. We have not been able to make an engulfing move down yet. The trend is definitely still up and it could possibly reject this area and keep going up because the monthly, weekly, and daily are all still in uptrends. So unfortunately, we did not get an engulfing move to the downside, confirming that we may be in a big move to the downside for wave Y. What's that mean on the shorter time phase? It definitely still could possibly go up. It looks like this is most likely like a wave A or possibly a wave 1. Seems like it's going to possibly break up, but that breakup is likely going to be a pullback to the move down like a wave B or a wave 2. So it does look like on the 1 hour time frame we might get another push down for either wave 3, which would look like that, or possibly a wave C, which would look like that. But we have to keep in mind these monthly, weekly time frame moves. We are definitely in an uptrend on all the higher time frames that is definitely not confirmed to be over, and it really could just keep on trending up at any time. So if you do get a break of sunset to the upside on this time frame, I definitely would be looking for longs just in case it does decide to continue the uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.